Welcome back. Let's assume that what you want to do is you want to display the fact that there are a limited number of copies of a particular product that you want to sell. You want the customer to come to this buy button and see that the product is actually sold out and keep them from being able to purchase. So for example, if this customer were to click this button, they would be able to purchase this product. But one thing that you can do is you can come inside of the product and you can make it so that the product can no longer be purchased. And you can do this by limiting the number of sales that are going to be able to be made for this product. So if you know that there have been 11 sales, you can turn this limit sales number to 10, and then the product will effectively be sold out. Now if you were to come back and refresh the page, you'd still not see a message stating that this product is sold out. That's because we need a specific kind of code available in WarriorPlus in order to display this message. And so in this case, we need to come to our buy button code and get the code. And we need to display the hurry up code by clicking this button and turning it on and then replacing the buy button code. We would then replace the code and then insert. And when you display the button, you'll see that the button itself says the product is sold out. And when the customer clicks the buy button, it will say that product is currently sold out and not available for purchase. And so you can automate this process by limiting the sales when you first create the product, so that when you hit the limit, the button will automatically show sold out when that limit is hit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.